In this video, I will show you how to buy things with Sweatcoin. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your Sweatcoin app on your device. Make sure that you have earned enough Sweatcoin to be able to buy things. So head over to the shop section. So in this section, you can find more ways to earn Sweatcoin on Sweatcoin. So for example, you want to earn additional Sweatcoin, you can opt for that. So as you can see in here, these are the things that you can buy on Sweatcoin. So you can simply buy gift cards. So for example, you want to buy $15 gift card. You'll need to have 2,000 Sweatcoin to be able to buy a $15 gift card. And you can use this gift card on the different applications where you have subscriptions for your device. So if you want to earn more Sweatcoin, you can simply swipe section and look for another way to earn Sweatcoin except for having 1,000 steps on Sweatcoin. And that is how you can simply buy things on Sweatcoin. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.